Hey guys, it's me. I'm back, and today we're playing some Pixel Z Unturned Day. This is a new game that just recently came out on Android devices, and it's a zombie game. And let's get started. We'll just start a new game. New character. Ooh, he can be a celery man. I like celery. His name will be Key in honor of me. Okay, and let's play. Here we go. Here we go. Enter world. Alright, so basically so far, it's like a first person shooter. Yeah, let's turn down that volume. There we go. That's still pretty annoying. Alright, so basically we just got a basic first person shooter so far. So that's how you shoot. Okay. We'll just have to keep on going until we find something maybe. And this is a lot like that one game, Unturned, you know, on the computer. And that game's a lot of fun. I'm just wondering if there's going to be like towns or something. Maybe. Yeah. I hope you guys liked that video I just put up. This one should be going up later tonight, and it's Friday right now, so yeah. I mean, these graphics are pretty cool for, you know what I mean? Like these are kind of cool. Okay. Hey, there we go. That's a lot faster. Let's try to move things a little quicker here. See, I'm just not sure where to go. I'm just not sure what to do here. It's just such an open world. Let's see in our inventory. Alright. Okay, I'm still yet to see a zombie. At all. You'd think there would be some more zombies. Maybe I'm missing something. Oh hey, it looks like a house over there. Awesome. Let's go check that out, guys. So we're almost there, and we're gonna, once we get there, I'm sure there's gonna be some supplies. Because it looks like my guys get a little bit thirsty, you know? So, we better give him some drinks. He's a celery man. Whoa, there's our first zombie, guys. Whoa, he's fast. Oh, that was scary. That was really scary, guys. Ow. Okay. Ah, it's a black guy. Whoa! He can fly! Wow. This game is really cool. And especially, like, for only $1. What? Aww. Okay. Well, I guess we died, guys. Okay, so let's follow this path. I'm sure we'll end up somewhere good with this. I don't think there's any like sprint meter or anything, so we can go for a while. Oh, what's that? What are these? Wood. Press F. There's no F. Oh, hey, there we go. Alright, okay. I don't know what I can do with it, but I'll pick it up. Yeah, I'll keep picking up more wood. Maybe I could, like, build with it? Like, that would be super cool. Let's try and craft. Let's see what we need to make a machete. We need 5 metal fragments. Okay. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff that you can make. Alright, we're going to have to check some more of that out later. That's amazing. Well, it looks like the path just ends here. Oh, here's those zombies I killed earlier. Okay, so we're not too far from where we left off. See, there's the zombie that killed me. Oh, wow! He can fly too. That's funny when they do that. Oh, he's going after something. Okay. Oh, look, it's me. Whoa! That was scary, guys. But we made it. We made it through it. I think this is where we'll be spending the night. Alright, guys, I think this is a good place to leave off. So just be sure to subscribe, smack that like